you guys, I am sharing today a design board for the new Flip House bathroom. I'm super excited about this, so stay tuned for more. All right, so we've been doing a lot of design boards lately, and this one is specifically for the Flip House, which I'm really excited about because we're taking a really dated and bland bathroom that currently is torn apart, and we're gonna make it into a modern, clean, just really, I think, a perfect mix of classic, modern, and luxury that will be perfect for the homeowners that we're trying to appeal to, I think, hopefully. So what I did with this bathroom is I wanted to keep it stuff that was reasonably priced and prefab, like the Vanity, that we'll take a look at to save on costs, but then it's still gonna have a really customized look, and I'll kind of tell you how I'm doing that with some of these details, so stay tuned till the end. I'm gonna share a piece that I think is really bringing this whole space together, and it's from Target, so great deal there. First up, I'm gonna talk about tile because I got these tile samples and just kind of want to give you guys a peek. So this is actually for the floor. These are a 12 by 24, and I love this because it's a marble look tile, but it's actually porcelain, and so it's going to be way more durable than marble. It's not as porous, and then the cost is a lot more friendly. This one is just a small sampling, so you can see kind of the coloring in it. A lot of subtle gray tones, a little bit of that white, but it's almost more like varying tones of gray, not like a white. So I like that this one has more of the veining in it, so it feels actually like a higher end marble than some. And it's a little bit different than your typical Carrara marble, so I love that it's a little more unique as well. And the larger scale tiles I like to use on the floor so that we have less grout lines and it makes it feel bigger, a little bit more luxury, fancy, that sort of thing. So there's for the floor, keeping it classy, the marble look tile. And then I wanted something with some contrast for the shower floor. So you can see this really cool tile. This one is a natural stone. I ordered this from Wayfair. They have the best price I've seen on it. This is a mosaic, so it comes on like a mesh sheet. So it's great for shower floors, that sort of thing. I love the linear look of it because it's kind of different. So we have a little bit of a different shape, and it's kind of organic because each of these little pieces is, even though it's like cut stone, it still has that natural feel with it. And then we have also the natural variation. This is going to be a little bit darker when you seal it, so it's going to be almost black, even though right now it looks like grays. So you can kind of see how nice though those are going to be together. This will be the bathroom floor, this will be the shower floor. And then for the shower walls, I've got this one, which I'm going to probably run vertically, probably vertically stacked so that it's still modern. And I chose this one specifically because it is a matte finish, and I love that it's got a little bit of an uneven edge, so it's like the more expensive, like handmade tiles, it has that look. And of course, it's just a nice smooth finish. You can see all of these together, just really pretty classic and clean. I might end up using, there is one like this that's similar. It's actually a 4x12. This one is a 3x12. There's a 4x12 that I just saw at Home Depot the other day that is glossy, which I don't like it as much, but it is gonna be like half the cost or something like that. So I might end up going that route just because this is a flip. But if I were doing this in my home, I would totally go for this one because I love this matte look and I think that it feels more high end. So just gonna show you those, but give you the heads up that I might go that cheaper route. We'll see. I love matte tile a lot more than I like glossy. It's kind of a preference thing, but I do feel like the matte just looks more expensive. It has a nicer feel to it, more like that handmade tile. And so I think these are gonna be great. It might be, like I was saying, might just be that glossy one for the flip for budget reasons. So that kind of sets the stage, kind of like black, white, gray tones for the tile. And then I'm keeping the tile really simple because I'm bringing in some natural wood tones, and I really want those to be the standout moment so that we have that warmth of the natural wood kind of in contrast with these classic black and white elements. The Vanity is seriously so pretty. It's been delivered, so I can't wait to unbox it. Hopefully we will be able to do that soon. We're getting the floors installed right now over at the Flip. I shared that over on my Instagram stories. It's looking so good. It's that luxury vinyl plank flooring, and so it's like a rigid, more of a rigid vinyl though, not like the floppy. Anyway, So that will be coming soon. I'll try and share that again soon. It was in my Instagram stories. If you go under new flip house, you can see all the highlights there in case there's anything you missed. Can't wait for this bathroom to get the tile going. As soon as we get those floors in, for the rest of the house, we should be able to get going on tile. So it is definitely moving quickly now, and I'm getting to the exciting part where every time we go there, there's something new to see, which makes me so happy. So the Vanity is one I shared with you guys when I was Vanity shopping. I did end up ordering this one, and it's so pretty. The countertop is it looks like a quartz that's kind of along these lines, a little bit more white, a little less of the veining. So they have like the common colors, but a little bit different in the amount of veining so that it mixes it up a little. And then it has that black modern frame for the open shelving underneath, which is perfect because you can just fold towels and tuck under there. And then that natural wood, you know, I just love. So this Vanity I think is going to be perfect. I ordered the 72 inch. It's around $2,000. It kind of varies. The price changes a little bit here and there with its Wayfair, and I feel like their sales are always changing. But this Vanity does come in other sizes in case you guys are doing a different size bathroom. I believe there's a 60 inch, a 36 inch. The one I'm getting is the 72 inch. And then I think there might even be like a 42 inch, something like that, in between the 3 foot and the 5 foot. They really have a lot of selection. Both, they come in the matte black and also like a brushed gold color. So definitely, if you guys like the style of this, you can probably find it in a size you might need, which is great. The fixtures I'm doing in this bathroom, it's a single, if you order this Vanity, you want a single hole faucet. So it's like the one that has like one control, which I actually love because they're the most functional. When you just have like, you know, one for hot and cold, you don't have to like turn to. I am using a faucet from Home Depot. This one is super pretty. Home Depot has some lines that are their own collection, and I really love the matte black. This one to me looks like a high-end faucet, but it's a really good price. I also found the tub filler as well for this bathroom at Home Depot online, and it is on sale right now actually. And these floor mount ones can be really expensive, and so this one being on sale for $319 is actually really good. And you can tell by the reviews, there's 183 reviews and it's basically 5 stars. That's like impressive. And this one has the handheld shower, which I love as well. So like if you're shaving your legs or something, you can use that. And anyway, very convenient, very pretty. I love how simple, modern, matte black, that high arc faucet is. And again, just the really good review. It comes in the matte black. They also have like a matte black and gold if you're kind of mixing metals. It's really weird. It comes in a matte black and red. Don't buy that because it's just weird. Super weird. I had never clicked on that one. Bizarre. The matte black is my favorite, just the plain matte black. I also found these really gorgeous light fixtures. I wanted something that was like a modern wall mount lantern, and these are a really good size. They're gorgeous. You can see, I believe there's some pictures in reviews. Someone used it in like a hallway. Anyway, I think it's gonna be so pretty for this bathroom. I might end up doing 2 lights. I show it with one between the 2 mirrors, but I think I might end up doing 1 big mirror and 2 lights on the side with just how our like wiring is in there. So really pretty though, because I like that this one is both modern, again kind of that modern and classic, which is great. And there are some like less expensive lookalikes to this, but I love that this one has, a lot of them are just open frame. I love this one actually has the glass, and I think it's like a seated glass, so it has a little bit of interest as well. Anyway, I just think that that's really pretty. It's on sale as well right now, which is great. And then the tub, I wanted to keep it really clean, simple. We're tucking it into that little alcove because it's kind of like a bay window area where the built-in tub used to be, and it's going to make that bathroom a lot more open once we we've taken that out. But once we just do a freestanding tub, it really frees up a lot of space, which I'm excited about. And this tub is really pretty. Again, really good reviews on this one. It's a 59 inch acrylic freestanding tub, and it is from the Home Depot as well. This one is on sale right now for $639, which is a really good price for a freestanding tub. And I like the shape of it because it's got a little bit of interest with that taper, kind of an oval tapered edge tub, and then it still feels modern as well. So it's kind of like, again, classic modern, which is what we're after. For the shower fixture, I just went with the Delta Trinsic in the matte black. This is like one of those lines that goes with anything, so it's really good because you can not have to worry about it blending with the other fixtures. Just really clean lines. It's affordable. It's a Delta, so you know Delta's a great brand. Again, really good reviews on that. You might need to order a valve separately because that one doesn't come with the valve, so just FYI. The Home Depot ones, they typically do, if you're ordering Home Depot brand, just a little fun fact for you. It is that simple matte black, single hole faucet with just the one handle, which is really easy to use. So it's from that same collection to match with the shower. I have also on this design board, you guys will see there's a towel set that Walmart has right now on sale for 20 bucks. I'm probably gonna get some of those just so I can stage the bathroom. It's a 10-piece towel set for 20 bucks. Hard to beat that. And I love that it has that little kind of ribbed edge detail on it. They look really nice and they have good reviews too. I feel like overall 4.4 stars for a $20 towel set that's 10 piece. Not bad. So those are a good deal as well. The arched mirror that I have on the design board is sold out currently. So I'm gonna try and save some others because, like I was saying, either 2 narrow arched mirrors or 1 larger one is what I'm gonna do. Probably the larger one. And then I also wanted to say about matte black fixtures for towel rings, towel bars. Target came out with a collection that's really affordable. I have the towel ring linked. It's cool because it's modern and square, kind of a rounded edge square towel ring, which is cute. And then they also have the towel bars and the toilet paper holders. They have everything. And so far, just the towel bars have reviews on them from what I can see, and but they are 5-star so far. So this collection could be a really good way to save money on your bathroom hardware because that gets really expensive too for the name brand stuff. So I was excited to see Target came out with a collection that is really versatile and modern. So I do have that linked for you as well. Lastly, the piece that I mentioned to you guys that I feel like is really taking this bathroom to the next level is this cute glass door cabinet from Target. And it is not like that fancy, but I think that I've seen this one, at least somebody had it, one of my friends had it, one of my Instagram friends, and after I recommended, and it looked so cute, like styled and stuff. So I have it, but I haven't assembled it yet. And I love that I'm gonna make it look like a linen cabinet. So it's kind of like, they say it's a library cabinet, so you know, you could style it however you want, but I think it's gonna be really cute to have like extra soaps and towels folded in there, maybe some baskets, so there's a little bit of clothes storage. But I think that this is going to make the bathroom feel really custom, even though it's just a standalone piece from Target. I think how it's styled is really just gonna make this bathroom have a little wow factor and feel kind of spa-like. So this modern, again, really clean design with the matte black metal and the wood frame, it kind of ties in with the Vanity being the mixed materials of the wood and the metal. I think it's just gonna be so cute. This is going in the corner over by the tub where we have a little space because we have just a really long wall now that we took out that built-in tub. I'm like just waiting for that bathroom floor to get in because I want to like get this cabinet set up just to see how it looks. So we'll see if I can be patient because this part is just so exciting, like the styling aspect of it. Anyway, I have just a whole vision for this bathroom that I can't wait to get put together. And then we're just gonna do like a glass, probably just a custom glass for the shower. So it'll be kind of like Euro glass, open frame. I have done showers where we get the prefab glass. That is really cute too. I'll probably put that in the links like I did at the last flip where it was the matte black modern frame shower glass. That was really cute. TJ Maxx, they get in sometimes the cutest soaps and I always stock up because having like cute, nice soap for a good price on hand is really helpful. Either I use it for gifts and sometimes even just, you know, for our bathrooms, rotating them out, especially when you have guests to have like nice looking soap in there. So they have a really cute one right now that I'll link, this milk and honey one. And anyway, really pretty container and it's with the black and white like I have going on in this bathroom. So it seems like naturally the soap should match. Yeah, let me know what your favorite aspect of this design is and what you're most excited to see like get installed. Getting that tub out was so huge. I'm so excited that we have the open space and we can be progressing. Of course, we took that door out too that went outside. So this whole space is gonna be way different from how it started. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell to be notified of future videos. Check us out over on Instagram at Design Loves Detail, on my website, designlovesdetail.com. Leave a comment and a like, all this stuff. Thank you. We'll see you next time.